Welcome to our lecture online. Sometimes we have a division and multiplication all at once in a single expression. And so what we need to do here is multiply and divide, and then of course use or apply the rules of exponents. When we're multiplying, the base is the same, we add exponents. When we divide and the base is the same, we subtract exponents. So notice, I might as well put parentheses around here, make it look a little better. So what we're going to do here is tackle each variable one at a time, and of course the number separate as well. So this can be written as 2 times 3 divided by 6. I'll put parentheses around that. I don't have to do that, but it just makes it a little bit cleaner. And now we have a to the first power, a to the second power, and a to the second power. So this becomes a to the 1 plus 2 minus 2. We add the two exponents in the numerator and we subtract exponent from the denominator. We do the same for b. So here we're times b. We have a b to the first power, b to the third power, b to the fifth power. So this becomes 1 plus 3 minus 5. Now simplifying this, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 divided by 6 is 1. So this becomes a to the, well, 2 minus 2 cancels out. That's a to the first power, and b to the, that's 4 minus 5 to the minus 1 power. And of course, b to the minus 1 power can go to the denominator, becomes b to the plus 1 power, so a over b is then the final answer of that particular combination of product and division. And that is how it's done.